Joe, open the door. Joe, open the damn door. Don't hide in your fancy apartment. I want to talk to you. You are not going to make my husband your punching bag all over again. We are just getting by, and you're taking him from his work like some blood-sucking little leech. And I will not let you get him hurt again like that. Do you hear me? I will not let you.
Guess you better come in. How is it?
Too sweet, per usual.
Really? Go figure. Yours?
Nice, thanks.
Sorry about that.
Just don't want folks to see you down, that's all.
I didn't know. I mean, I thought that...
Yeah, no, that's the idea. Always keep your hands up.